Crocodile VR.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's been like 3 months since I've last posted, and today we're playing Animal Company, the old version, because that's the only one that you can get at Pico, I think. So let's just pack my bag, ready to go. I have 65,000 pounds, so I get that. Gotta have that. A shotgun, that's always needed, and 4 rounds. Just make sure those are going in the bag, because I do not want to leave extra ammo behind. So, let's go exploring. I've recently found a new little place. Why did my voice just sound like I inhaled helium? Anyway, yeah, I've just found a new little place in the anglerfish cave. You know, the cave where the anglerfish is. That was a close one. So I'm gonna go down here. So the anglerfish is. Can't be bothered to deal with that thing, it's so annoying. So anyway, the place that I found is down here. There's also a new little item, which I just found. What is in there? It's like
Why are you running? Why are you running?
it's like a ruby. It's kind of cool. At first I thought it was like a little bouncy ball. Well, see, that's what I noticed. It's a ruby because of the shape. Climb.
Parkour!
Jump across it. That's the only way I could save myself. Yeah, so it's kind of like a little secret area. You gotta climb up here. Because the bombs. Some. Just let them explode. Yeah, so it's down here, like back there. Then the ruby, if you jump across here, is right there. There's statue down here, and I think there's some gold. Can't really remember. Did I just drop something down there? Oh. So let's go. And there's also another little area down here, which I found. So you jump across here. Nothing back there. And there's statue there. So I'm okay, yeah, I do have everything. I am lost any of my precious stuff. After this, I'm probably gonna go get the egg and another statue. Then, oh, it seems to be blue, which I've never noticed. I don't know why there's some strange lights around here. It's kind of annoying. Bye bye. Oh, it's a flask. I don't need that. Nothing here. Let's go back. Sadly, sewer. We don't have the sewer, which is annoying. Let's jump on here now. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I need to. Do that. I'm probably gonna sell everything that's in my bag. So, in more room. How much money did I get? £371. That's fine. Has not covered anywhere near the amount that I've paid for this trip though. Wait, what's down here again? I don't think it's anything valuable. I know in the actual Animal Company, I don't know if it's a new update where it got removed. And I've been told that the map has been changed, but see, I can't get the original Animal Company because I have Pico. And it's not on Pico, which is annoying. I just want to run it. I'm gonna run it, guys. I'm gonna run it. Watch this. I'm gonna wait here. Bye bye. Am I cooked? Oh yes. There's some gold down there, which I kind of want. But first, I want to get another statue and the egg. Okay. Roll me all you want. I actually want that stuff back in there. Ah! It fell. Right, I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna get this. Now I'll get my flashlight. And let's leave because the chicken's probably gonna respawn in like a minute. And since I'm not dealing with that thing chasing me around. Because that happened once and I almost died. Thank God it's not like kills you with one bloody attack. Should I go? Oh no. Right. Should I do it? Should I just... I'm dead, I'm cooked. Bye bye. Skip makes me stressed. I'm going, I'm leaving the thing behind. Oh, I'm back. Let's see what I got. I only got 3 things. Well, 6 things in total. I'm not gonna go on. Actually, I probably should have sold everything. I wouldn't be able to go. How have I earned more money than I did with the ruby? Well, it's probably because of the egg. It's gonna climb up here. Don't know why I like to do that. I wish I could get normal Animal Company Pico. I've almost earned more stuff than I've gotten on the egg. Well, anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'll probably be posting more tomorrow. But see ya.